In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google AdSense. Complete Google AdSense tutorial 25. We're focusing on the essential payment setup and identity verification so you can get approved and ready to receive earnings without delays. Start by signing into your account and opening the payment section from the left-hand menu. This is where you manage billing, your profile, and verification. Inside payments, go to payments info and look for a prompt that says verify your identity. Click verify now to begin. If you don't see a verification prompt, it simply means Google hasn't requested it yet and you can check back later. Before you upload anything, double check your payee name. It must be correct and match your government issued ID exactly, including spacing, middle names or initials, and any accents or special characters. A mismatch is the most common reason verification gets rejected. If something is off, update your payments profile first, then return to verification. Next, choose the ID type you'll submit. A valid unexpired passport is typically the smoothest option, but a driver's license or national ID also works in many regions. Pick the document you can capture most clearly, and that reflects your name exactly as shown in your payments profile. When you upload your ID, use a clear photo or a high-quality scan. Make sure your full name, date of birth, and the ID number are visible and that your photo is sharp. Avoid glare, shadows, or blur by using bright, even lighting and placing the ID on a flat, contrasting background. Don't crop out corners or edges, and don't use screenshots or edited images. Once everything looks clean and readable, upload the document and submit. After submission, the review typically takes a few hours up to 48 hours. In some situations, it can take as long as 5 business days. You can track progress by returning to payments, then settings, and checking the verification section for your current status. When you're approved, your status will change to verified. At that point, you can add or use your preferred payment method and continue growing your earnings. Remember, payments are issued once your balance reaches the standard threshold of $100 and all holds are cleared. If you follow these steps carefully, especially matching your payee name to your ID and ensuring clear, uncropped images, you'll greatly reduce the chance of delays. Keep your documents handy, review your details before submitting, and you'll be set to start receiving AdSense payments smoothly.